In this video, we are going to be learning about something called symmetry. We say that an object or a shape is symmetrical when it has one side that is an equal reflection of the other side. For example, in this shape over here, it's half of a heart, and it's actually two pieces of paper folded over. To find out if this shape is symmetrical, when I open it up, this side should be equal in size and shape to this side over here. So when I open up this heart, this side is exactly the same shape and size as this side. They are a mirror image of each other. So we say that this heart is a symmetrical shape, and the line in the middle that divides it equally in half is called the line of symmetry. Shapes can also have two different lines of symmetry, two or more even. So for example, if I fold this heart in half this way, it would be only a symmetrical shape if when I open it up, the top half is equal to the bottom half, which we can see is not the case. The top half has two little ridges when the bottom half has a V shape. They are not the same. So therefore, a heart, we say, is symmetrical when we use this line of symmetry, the vertical line of symmetry, then it's a symmetrical shape. However, when I fold it over using this line of symmetry, it is not symmetrical, so we call it an asymmetrical shape. Asymmetrical means not symmetrical, whereas symmetrical means that the two sides are a mirror reflection of each other. So this is a symmetrical shape with the vertical line being the line of symmetry. But if I change my shape and use a horizontal line of symmetry, then we can say a heart is asymmetrical, for example. When we are asked a symmetry question, we are most likely asked a question with it on a grid, as shown below, and we have to copy the shape over the line of symmetry so that the blank side is an equal reflection of the side that's been given. Very important, when you are doing symmetry, you have to make sure that you are using a ruler. A ruler is very, very important because it has to look exactly the same on this side as it does on the given side. To approach a question like this, we have to do it one line at a time. So we're going to start at the top here, and I can see that the line moves from this corner all the way to this corner. So I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side, moving from that corner to that corner there, using my ruler to make a straight line. Then I can see it moves straight across from here to this corner, so I'm going to do the same thing from that corner to that corner, very carefully using my ruler. I then see it moves from this corner diagonally to this bottom box, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side, diagonally to the box below. It then moves straight down from the top of this box to the bottom of this box, so I'm going to do the same thing. And then they move vertically or diagonally from this corner to that corner, and I'll do the same thing on this side. This is a symmetrical shape because what's on this side is exactly the same as what's on that side. They are mirror images of each other. You can also get asked a symmetry question in the form of block symmetry, which looks like this. So I have blocks shaded on one side of the line of symmetry, and I need to copy it onto the other side. As you can see, this line in the middle is my line of symmetry, and I've already done the first one for us. So we start from the middle and we move outwards. It's blank and then colored. I then move back to the line of symmetry and I have blank and color. Then I move to the next line, one row at a time, one block at a time. From the line of symmetry, it's a colored block and then a blank block. So I move back to the middle, colored, and then blank. Down to the next row, from the line of symmetry, I have color, color. So back to the line of symmetry, I'm going to have color, color. You must make sure that you color the blocks exactly as they appear on the other side, or the given side. And in the last line, from my line of symmetry, blank color, I go back to the line of symmetry and I have blank color. That way, if I had to fold this piece of paper over the line of symmetry, this side is equally going to touch that side, and they are exactly the same. If you understand this clearly, please pause the video now and try this activity in your online journals. Please make sure you draw the grid, as the grid will help you get the answer correct. If you don't understand, please watch the video again.